Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make dry fruit baklava. First, gather your ingredients. 1 pound of phyllo dough, 2 cups of mixed dry fruits, and 1 cup of melted butter. Make sure your dry fruits are finely chopped. You'll also need to prepare a simple syrup using 2 cups of sugar and 1 cup of water, simmering it until slightly thickened. This preparation ensures a smooth baking process. Now let's assemble your baklava. Start by brushing each delicate phyllo sheet with melted butter. After every 4 or 5 layers, sprinkle about 1/4 cup of your chopped dry fruit mixture evenly. Continue this process, alternating between buttered phyllo and dry fruit until all your ingredients are used. Ensure the top layers are just phyllo, brushed generously with butter. Before baking, carefully cut your baklava into traditional diamond or square shapes. This helps the syrup penetrate evenly later. Bake it in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 to 60 minutes, or until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color. Once baked, remove it from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before the next step. The final touch is the syrup. While your baklava is still warm, pour the cooled simple syrup evenly over the entire surface. This temperature difference helps the baklava absorb the syrup perfectly. Allow it to sit for at least 4 hours or even overnight to fully soak up the sweetness. Garnish with chopped pistachios or almonds, then serve and enjoy your delicious dry fruit baklava.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.